Hey, recently I just installed my radiant floor heating system and I used the Azel D508-F thermostat with a Taco SR501 single zone system. I wired it exactly like the relay said and exactly like the thermostat said, and it didn't work. So when this thing wasn't working, it was driving me crazy, and I tried every different kind of wiring schematic that they had. There was all kinds of alternatives. Ones were used resistors and nothing worked. I couldn't get this thing to work unless it was backlit for anything. So I got this boiler and my thermostat and my manifold as well from Supply House. So I called Supply House and got online with them, and they were happy to send me a new one. So I thought, well, it might be the thermostat. So I switched out the thermostats, had the same exact problem. So I'll use Supply House again, no doubt about it, because they were really good about getting me new parts if I needed it, but they didn't have anybody technical. Instead, I just contacted the thermostat manufacturer by email, and they got right back to me in minutes. When I told him what I had, he sent me a new schematic, said, yeah, that's not unusual, try this, and I rewired it just the way he said, and it works perfect. Normally the wiring would just be red and white right there. That's all there was to it. But here you can see at the thermostat, the yellow wire is actually the feed from the 24 volt, goes right here to the C, and then you have to jumper it all the way over to number 2, and then you just run your red wire to 2 and your white wire to 1. I suppose you could do those different. I don't know. This works, and I'm going with it. So this is the SR501 Taco, I don't know, relay. And here's how we had to do it different with that thermostat. We took the yellow wire to the common, ran it down to the thermostat, and then we just hooked the red and the white to the red and the white like they're supposed to be. These other red and whites here are for the boiler, and I never had a problem with that one.
Here, I just made it simple. Just drew on a piece of paper here for you. Up at the relay, we took the red down to number 2. We took the white down to number 1. And we took the yellow from 24 to the common, C to C. And the jump from the red to the 2.
So I hope that kind of helps anybody who's having the same situation or same problem I had. I love this system, and it's working great. So hey, watch all our videos if you get a chance. We'll talk to you soon.